Well, hello there, it's John from Barefoot Accounting. So how can we use our accounts that little bit better? I suppose 5 tips would be, firstly, to understand what you're looking at. Ask your accountant to walk you through your accounts, maybe get some training. I believe there's quite a few free courses, or just even look on YouTube. You don't have to be an expert, that's the thing, but you just need to know enough to get to grips with the basics of what they're telling you and how you can use them. The other thing is context. I think context is important. Try setting targets to act as a guide as to how well things are going. Are the figures good? Are they bad? Are they improving? What's going on? And as for setting targets, it can be something simple as work out how much you want to pay yourself and work back from that. Believe it or not, the accounts actually tell you a bit of a story. So when you look at your accounts, try and relate them to what's going on. If you're looking at them on a monthly basis, that can be quite handy. Think what was going on. Was there a big order that came in? How are the sales looking? Is the money coming in? Were there big expenses? And try and relate to what was going on in your business at the time. The other one is to keep it simple. It's very easy to get caught up in the details, and sometimes that's important, but especially at the start off with, keep it simple and try and look at the big picture. It's so easy to get caught up in some of the minutiae and miss the big picture. Just look at your sales, what you paid yourself, and what your estimated tax would be. They're probably the 3 main things to start looking at. And the other thing is a bit more psychological. Think of it, your accounts provide data. Think of the numbers of your friends, but not as a nice fluffy one. Just the cold, hard truth of what's going on in your business. The friend who's going to tell you when you're off track. And try and be objective. Try not to think of it as your own business. Think of it as it's, say, someone else's. Would you invest in that business? If they asked, I could really do with borrowing some money, I've got a great idea, would you actually go for it or not? What would you advise someone else if you had no emotional tie to it? That's that can be a bit of a tricky one for people sometimes. Anyway, I hope that helps you. I'll catch you later.